Yeah, what are these?
Water.
Water. And how about this?
Yeah.
What color is that?
Red.
And then how about...
Red. Wow.
Yeah? How about this? What color is this?
Yellow.
Okay. And then the last one. What color is this?
Red.
Green. So, what should we do? Let's do first. Oh! Forgot, what is this? What is this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Now, let's drop few drops of food coloring, okay? Just few. Do you need help? Let mommy help. Just few drops, okay? Oh, on the oil. Okay, enough. Wait, we need tissue. Mommy, bring the cooking towel. Ta-da! What is it for?
I'm watching.
Yeah, clean this, okay? And then, more color, please. Just a few drops, okay?
Now that's
Oh, what do you say to me? Help me, please. Oh, thanks. Few drops only. Yeah. I think it's enough. Okay. Give it to mommy. And then more.
that's
Okay. Okay, it's enough. The last color is...
red.
Can you open it? Okay, that's enough. Let's close it, baby. Close the food coloring, please. Yeah. After that, what should we do with the fork?
Missing.
Yeah, mix it.
Yeah.
Well done. Well, and then we put it aside, okay? Now, what is this? Jar.
Jar.
And what should we do with the jar?
But what is this?
Put the water into the...
No, we put that.
Yeah.
Put that this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Slowly. Wow. And then next. Yeah. Be careful, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oh, I think it's enough. It's too full.
Wow.
Wow. Let's close it.
So many.
Too much water. And then what should we do next?
This.
Yeah.
We put this.
Oh, put the oil into the jar. Okay, let's see. Ooh. You did it?
Wow. This is good.
Yeah.
Mommy, you fuck.
Oh.
Fuck.
Okay. then it become relaxed. Say goodbye to camera.
Bye-bye.
See you again.
See you there. There's a middle.
Okay, you mix first.